On this lesson, we're going to work on a different portrait. So let's move our photo a little bit to the right. And now, what if we only want to use one shape? So in the case of this one, it's going to be the rectangle. So let's go here and select the rectangle, or press M on our keyboards. And now I'm going to select this color as kind of light pink. And I'm going to create a rectangle. Then I'm going to go and create another rectangle that is smaller. Right click, arrange, send to back. And change the color to a darker one. Now I'm going to make a copy by pressing Alt and Shift. Go to Object, Group, and now align them by making this big one the key object. Let's make another rectangle. This one is going to be the part of the hair. So what I'm doing here, using all these rectangles and just putting it under the right place, is trying to see my face and using only rectangles, making those shapes appear and represent each of the parts of my face. So let's make another rectangle for that ponytail on the back. So let's send it to back again and change the color. Let's move it a little bit here and keep working on the rest. Now again, I'm going to do my glasses. So let's change the color. Make a rectangle. Then while dragging, press Alt and Shift to create a copy. Let's move them a little bit closer. Let's go Object, Group, and align them properly with my face. I'm going to make another rectangle that is going to be smaller. Let's change the color to a darker blue and align it as well. Next is going to be the neck. So let's create another rectangle. You could use the eyedropper by clicking here, or use the shortcut I. Now let's make it a little bit bigger. Right click, arrange, transform, send to back. Now let's just align it. Now I'm going to create another shape for my chest. So let's just put it green and align it. A key to having this looking good is to always align your shapes. That way they're going to be consistent and have a lot of variation. So now I'm going to select this one, right click and send it back. And before I make a copy, I'm going to make the arm. So just another rectangle. Use the eyedropper. And let's send it back. Now I can extend it so it matches the part of the t-shirt or my chest. Then go right click, transform, reflect. Let's make a copy, select all of them, group it, and align it. Now you have your arms. Next, I can create my nose. So I can go to my pen tool, swap the stroke and the fill, pick a darker color, and let's just create a little mouth. This is going to be the only curve on our portrait, but it's going to have a corner that is going to be flat. Next, what you can do is just make some slight modifications. Now let's select everything and scale it up a little bit by pressing Shift so we constrain the proportions so it matches the size of the other portraits. So with this you have a geometrical avatar, and on the next lesson we're going to keep working on the rest.